Today I want to show you how you can tap your NFC Smart Pen. On the top of the pen here you will see a little NFC icon. So on iPhone, what you want to do is make sure the screen is active, hold the pen to the back of the phone at the top, and you will see a little link appears. Tap the link and up will load your TAPiTAG profile. On Android, make sure the screen is active, your NFC is switched on, hold the pen to the back of the phone between the middle and the top, and up will load your TAPiTAG profile. The important piece to remember is make sure you tap with the NFC icon. You can see it printed here. Make sure you tap that. Screens are active, and on Android, NFC is switched on. Once you tap it off the back of the phone, your profile will load up. All pens can be personalized. They come with a stylus. They come with a built-in pen, a phone stand that your phone can sit into, and also, if you're ever stuck, it comes with a built-in screwdriver too. All available from TAPiTAG.co, but that is how you tap your TAPiTAG Smart Pen.